In this video, I will show you how to restore a deleted page in Materials. To start, I'm going to delete a page. First, I will head to Materials and select the page I want to delete. Then I will click the three dots in the top right corner and choose Delete Page. When prompted, I will click Delete to confirm. To restore the page, I will click the three dots next to Materials, heading and select Restore Deleted Page. On the left-hand side, I will see a list of pages that were previously deleted. I will select the page I just deleted, then click Restore Page. The page has now been restored and will reappear in the Materials list.